Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try this beautiful wig. So I decided to make this wig in these two colors because again one of my clients suggested these colors for me. I shared with you two wigs in this style but different colors, a gray one, a black one, and one stroke 900, 1 and 900. So my client wanted this wig in these two colors, number 30 and black. So guys, if you love this color, if you love this style, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you.